The problem with my transition was that it ended right abruptly. It went from pediatric to adult ward without just when I turned 18. So I was not ready for all the responsibility I had to take on me by myself. The medicine I had to do by myself, and the doctors, the other languages that came with it. They spoke another language, like medical terms. At the adult ward, the pediatric is more softer, and they explain it to you better. At the adult ward, you have to like look stuff up and stuff like that. So that was quite hard for me, at least. The biggest challenge for me, that was the communication between me and my doctor at the adult ward. He was a surgeon. I have a surgeon as a doctor, so he speaks like in medical terms. So it's quite hard for me to understand, and he doesn't really explain the terms quite good to me. So it's hard for me to understand what's actually being said. My main friends knows about my condition. It's quite hard to hide. It's the problem I have, like in my everyday life. It's like I get fatigue a lot. Much more fatigue than other people. When I get home from school, I'm done for the day. So that's the main thing, and I have many infections I get, so I have to go into and get some antibiotics. So that's the main thing I have for me right now. I would tell them be better at speaking, be better at communicating to young adults, speak normally, and explain things in normal terms instead of medical terms, so you don't have to look them up on the internet.